I'm Meghna Mane. I'm the 5th generation business leader at SR Gopal Rao Opticians and Optometrists.
The stories behind Bangalore's entrepreneurial DNA. Presenting the Bangalore OGs.
SR Gopal Rao has been sort of a household name in Bangalore since 1936. It goes back even a generation before that to S.N. Ram Rao, his father, who used to be the optician to the erstwhile Maharaja of Mysore. He then passed on his legacy to S.R. Gopal Rao, my great-grandfather, and it was then succeeded by his daughter, then my father, and now me. So we are 5 generations in the optical industry, and this is what we know.
So what does it mean to be a Bangalore brand?
It's such a strong part of our identity to be associated with the city. I have not even thought of going anywhere else. The good thing is I get a lot of access to technology, which is new, and I'm able to absorb it quickly because I'm not afraid, because I know that this is what everyone is doing around.
And what keeps a brand thriving for a century?
Some of the underlying principles or the foundation stays the same. We know that trust is important. We know that service is important, quality is important, the expertise in what we are doing. So we stay very true to what we do. So we've sort of evolved with the times when it comes to both eyewear as well as eye care.
Should glasses also be delivered in 10 minutes?
I don't think I would ever subscribe to specs being delivered under 10 minutes. So it is a device that people used to see. So clarity is important, the prescription is important, the fit is important. People play it or buy it for various reasons, right? And we want to see that we fulfill that bucket.
And finally, one thing every founder should have.
Someone is starting a business, any business, whether it's this or something else, I feel like resilience is very important. They need to always have faith in themselves.
Hit the follow button to catch the next episode.